Hello everyone, myself Shaheen Siddiqui, final year student studying at SSMC Haveri, guided by Dr. Sangmesh Sir, Dr. Rahina Ma'am from Department of Panchakarma. Topic Raktapitta Nashaka Basti.
Reference Charak Samhita, Nidana, Siddhi and Chikitsa Sthana, Shushruta Samhita, Uttarakhanda, 45 chapter, Ashtanga Hridaya, Sutra Sthana, Chikitsa Sthana, 2nd chapter. Nirukti, Vasa Nivase, to reside, to stay, to dwell. In Rakta Pitta Nashaka Basti, here we are using Rakta Pitta Nashaka Dravyas in the form of Kashaya and Kalka to treat the diseases occurs due to Dushana of Rakta by Pitta. Definition संयुगाद दूषणात् तु सामान्याद गंधवर्णयोः रक्तस्य पित्तमाख्यातं रक्तपित्तं मनीषिभिः. Because of conjunction with similarity in causes of vitiation, order, color and origin, the disease is called Rakta Pitta. Basti, which is useful in treating Rakta Pitta, it can be given by Anuvasana, and Niroha Basti is known as Rakta Pitta Hara or Rakta Pitta Nashaka Basti. Procedure: Purva Karma, preparation of Basti drugs. According to Shushruta Samhita Uttaratantra 24 chapter, for Anuvasana Basti, Draksha, Grita, Shodra Sita Yutena, Vidari Gandhadi Vipachitena, Shirena cha Sthapanam Agrayo Muktam, Hitam Gritam cha Apya Anuvasana Artham. Ingredients for Anuvasana Basti are: for Kashaya preparation, drugs of Vidari Gandha Gana; for Kalka preparation, Draksha, Grita and Madhu. According to Shushruta Samhita Uttaratantra 45 chapter, for Niroha Basti, Priyangu, Rodhra, Anjana, Gerika Utpalehi, Swarna Kaliyaka, Rakta Chandanehi, Sita Ashwagandha Ambuda, Yashtika Ahvayer Monala, Sogandhika, Tulya Peshitehi. Above mentioned drug in shloka should be taken in equal quantity and mixed with grita, cold water and administered as Kashaya Basti. Patient given food along with milk after meal. A lubricating enema with grita is boiled along with Yashti Madhu should be administered. Based on concept of Ashraya Ashrayi Bhava, Tatra Astini Sthito Vayuh, Pittam tu Sveda Raktayoh, Shleshma Shesheshu Tena Eshama Ashraya Ashrayi Nama Mitaha. As you can see in this picture, Pitta dosha is Ashrayi, and Rakta is Dushya and it is Ashraya. So Pitta dosha is located in Rakta. We can give Pitta Hara Basti in Rakta Pitta diseases as well. 3 formulations of Basti for Pitta disorders mentioned in Charak Siddhi Sthana, 10 chapter, Nala, Vanjula, Vanira, Shatapatrani and Shevalam. Second formulation, Manjishta, Sariva, Ananda, Payasya, Madhu Yashtika. Third formulation, Chandana, Padmaka, Ushira, Tungam. These above 3 groups of drug are to be used along with sugar, honey, ghee and milk as Basti in diseases caused by Pitta. Preparation of patient: empty stomach in morning hours after evacuating the bowel and bladder. Abhyanga, Deepana, Pachana, Snehana and Svedana. Patient is made to lie down on table in the left lateral position. Pradhan Karma. The time of Basti administration is Jirna Annakala. Apply oil on Basti Netra and anal verge for lubrication. Keep Basti Dravya warm to match body temperature. Sadravya Basti Yantra Netra is slowly and steadily inserted up to 3rd knob into the Guda. Putaka is held with firm hand and liquid is pushed with even pressure. Avoid pushing all liquid to prevent chances of air entry. Ask the patient to breathe as the liquid is pushed. Remove out netra slowly. Let the patient to be in same position for a while. Later, he may shift to supine position or wait for urges. Let him get up and pass when urges come. Paschat Karma. After removing Basti Dravya, patient should take rest of around 30 minutes and warm water bath is advised. Lagu Sa Upachaya Ahara should be advised depending on patient appetite. Indication: Urdhvaga Rakta Pitta, Adhoga Rakta Pitta, Tiryagata Rakta Pitta, Rakta Srava, Rakta Arsha, Rakta Atisara, Shatakshina and for Rakta Stambhana. Importance: Vata is responsible for all diseases origination in Shaka, Koshta, Marma, Urdhva, Sarva Avayava and Anga. Vata is responsible for separation and combination of stool, urine, pitta, etc., including other excreta and tissue element. When it gets highly aggravated, there is no remedy other than Basti for its elevation. Therefore, Basti is considered as Sarva or Ardha Chikitsa by physicians. Thank you.